Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Swiss meringue buttercream with pasteurized eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 5 large pasteurized egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. You'll also need a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, a heat-proof bowl, and a candy thermometer. This method ensures a safe and delicious buttercream, perfect for cakes and cupcakes. Using pasteurized eggs simplifies the process by removing concerns about raw egg safety, making it accessible for all bakers. Now let's create the meringue base. Combine 5 large pasteurized egg whites and 1 cup of granulated sugar in your heat-proof bowl. Place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk constantly until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the sugar dissolves completely. Remove from heat and immediately transfer to your stand mixer. Whip on high speed until the meringue is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks, and the bowl feels cool to the touch. Once your meringue is cool and stiff, it's time to add the butter. With the mixer on medium-low speed, gradually add 5 sticks of softened, unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon-sized piece at a time. Don't worry if the mixture looks curdled or soupy at first. This is normal. Keep beating on medium-high speed. The buttercream will eventually come together, transforming into a smooth, light, and incredibly fluffy consistency, perfect for decorating. Finally, let's add some flavor. With the mixer on low, incorporate 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or your preferred flavorings, like citrus zest or cocoa powder. Mix until just combined. Your delicious Swiss meringue buttercream is now ready to use. You can store it at room temperature for up to 2 days, or refrigerate it for about 1 week. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your baking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.